boxplots of one variable according to groups defined by another, choose the boxplots by group command from the toolbar. Drag the variable you want to plot, we're going to look at average temperature, and the variable that defines the groups onto the x-axis will go by month. Here you can see the clear pattern where it's hotter in the summer and cooler in the winter. The shaded bars here are confidence intervals to compare medians. Where they don't overlap, we can be fairly confident that the medians are likely to be different. Boxplots always identify extreme values by plotting them individually. If you'd like to identify them, open a variable that names the cases, in this case dates, choose the Query tool, and click on the points you'd like to identify. For example, here, the 17th of September seems to have been a particularly cool day in 2011. One more thing. The Hyperview menu here in the upper left corner offers a bunch of other commands. One of them is to remove the boxes entirely so you can see the individual points. Sometimes that can be useful.